Hello everyone, today we're reviewing Buman, a play-to-earn game app that's been blowing up on social media with claims you can earn real money by playing a shooting game. But does it actually pay, or is this just another ad-watching scam? I've researched user experiences and the evidence. Let's break it down. So Buman launched in August 2025 by Fun Hat Lab and is available on Google Play. It's a casual auto shooting game where your character fires at enemies with weapons like laser guns and drones. The hook? They claim you can earn coins by completing tasks, watching ads, and inviting friends, then withdraw real cash via PayPal or bank transfer. The minimum withdrawal is around $15, and you earn coins by watching ads, completing daily missions, and most importantly, recruiting friends through referrals. Here's the reality. Here's what user experiences reveal. Some people report successfully withdrawing small amounts after reaching thresholds. A few users claim they receive payments, which suggests it's not a complete scam when nobody gets paid. However, the majority of users face serious problems. Many report the withdrawal requests never complete. They wait days or weeks, but money never arrives. Others say that the app shows withdrawal options, but the process gets stuck in processing indefinitely. One detailed review states that it is a bait and watch scam where you generate ad revenue for them while chasing unreachable withdrawal amounts. Some major red flags. First, anonymous developers with zero accountability. There's no information about the CEO, founder, or team behind FunHat Lab. No corporate details, no address, no company registration, nothing. This is a massive red flag for any app handling money. Second, the business model is heavily reliant on referrals. The real money comes from recruiting friends, not from actual gameplay. When an app pushes referrals harder than the product itself, that's pyramid scheme behavior. Third, fake automated withdrawal notifications appear constantly in the app, claiming other users are cashing out. These are designed to make you believe people are getting paid when they might not be. What's really happening is that Bioman is making money from you. Every ad you watch generates revenue for them, likely several cents per ad. Meanwhile, you're working for pennies that you may never be able to withdraw. Your time and data are being monetized for their benefit, not yours. The few people who do get paid are likely there to create proof that encourages more downloads and more ad views. It's a numbers game. Pay out a small percentage to keep the majority engaged and watching ads. The final verdict? Buman is technically real in that it exists and occasionally pays some users, but it's practically fake in terms of being reliable source income. The game is fun, but the earning system is unreliable and exploitative. Play for entertainment if you want, but don't expect to earn real money. Your time is worth more than this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.